Hi guys, I bought this little spinning top in a charity shop quite a while ago. Spins beautifully, it's wooden. What I didn't realise when I bought it was actually missing a couple of bits. I've seen some since then, and what they should have is a sort of a circle just here that you can get hold of and a stopper at the top. So you get hold of this circular bit just here, wrap the string round, but you can hold on to this bit, that steadies it, while you then pull the string, and the stopper on the top stops it sliding off. I'll show you what I mean. I've just cut up a bit of cardboard tubing. I've put some super glue around the edges to stiffen it up a bit. And I'll clean it off in a minute because it's a bit rough. But I've drilled holes through it, and then that fits over there. I need to clean that hole out again. As I say, I've just put super glue over it. But that will sit over there so you can grip it. I'll put a stopper on the top and then I'll see if I can make it work. Well, there we are, a bit of a Grandad Fix. Cardboard tube with a hole drilled through it, bit of wood glued on the top to stop it sliding off, wrap the string round it, so we should be able to just hold it, pull the string and it should spin. Looks like it works. It's not going to be as perfectly balanced as a shop bought one would be. But that's not bad. Just for a very quick fix with a bit of cardboard tubing. Yeah, I'm claiming that as a success. Yeah, that'll do for me. So in case you missed it, there is a hole just there through the middle of the shaft for the string to go through. But you don't tie it on, it has to pull out so that the top can spin freely.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.